Hey Carly, how you doing? My name is Christa. We spoke on the phone earlier today, and as promised, here is the custom screencast video for Cherry Roofing. Cherry Roofing. Um, I wanted to go ahead and get this sent over to you, and my hope is that I would provide valuable and insightful information that'll actually help Cherry Roofing to really rank higher in the search engines and to really rank higher in Google. And so we are going to cover three key tips today that will contribute towards boosting Cherry Roofing in the search engines and bringing in more revenue per month. And so the three tips I want to cover is content, citations, and backlinks. Um, and when we're talking about content, a lot of people, they think content is just the words, but content is actually everything on the front page. So these icons right here are considered content. These pictures right here are considered content. And even what the pictures are saved as and what is behind the pictures on a website is considered content. And so we want to make sure Google likes to see anywhere from honestly 1,000 to 2,500 words of content on a website's front page. And the reason for that is, well, first of all, the more the merrier. But second of all, we want to make sure we've got enough content so that we can include plenty of keywords and key phrases that potential clients and customers are using when they search for the services that Cherry Roofing has to offer. And so when I'm talking about content, I'm talking about the amount as well as the amount of words as well as what the pictures are saved as and what's behind the pictures. So even something as simple as being able to put a keyword, a key term, key phrase behind the picture is very important. It'll help to rank Cherry Roofing higher in Google. So that is content. The second thing I want to talk about is something called citations. Now, I already have here pulled up. I went into Google and I typed in a simple phrase, right? Roofers in Vancouver, Washington. And so we see right here, oh, there you guys are on the second row. We see right here that you guys have your company name, your company address, and your company phone number. And so when we're talking about a citation, simply we're talking about your business information listed across multiple online directories and listed accurately. One of the things that I find that local roofers in the area are surprised to find out is that Google actually docks points for inaccurate information in a directory. So imagine someone is searching for roofers in Vancouver, Washington. They click on Yellow Pages, they click on Yelp, they click on Home Advisor, and they see a different number. They see a different email. They see a different business address. Google Docs points for that, and so we want to make sure that our information is accurate. The really key thing that I would encourage you guys to remember about citations is that we want to be able to look at the competition and see how many directories they are listed in and get our information in the same directories, if not more. And so it's totally like possible and doable to do that. And it will definitely give you a really good boost in Google. So that is the second thing, citations. The third thing I want to cover is something called backlinks. Now, if I go over here, we've got this is a really good software called Ahrefs, and I like them because they have really good and accurate information. It's pretty close to Google's information in their analytics. So like I said, I love Ahrefs. Now, when we're talking about backlinks, I want you to think of backlinks as an online or a digital or an internet recommendation. So let's say a blog or another platform references your business, and there's a link that is pointing back to cherry roofing. And it's like a term we use is like passing power back to cherry roofing. And so we want to look at Google less as a search engine when we're talking about backlinks and more as a popularity contest. So it's like, oh, everyone is recommending cherry roofing, and so they must be one of the most popular, if not the most popular, roofing company in Vancouver. And so let's boost them to the very, very tippy top of our search engines so that it is as easy as possible for people to find them. Google, they capitalize on popularity, they capitalize on recommendations. They capitalize on several different things. And so if you are doing well, if people are pointing back to your site and saying this is a valid business, Cherry Roofing is amazing at what they do, it's one of the most professional businesses in Vancouver, then Google notices that. And so you will see your rankings go up in Google's algorithm. And so I want to cover one final thing here about backlinks. So right now on Cherry Roofing, it shows me you guys have 53 referring domains, giving you 155 backlinks. And that is contributing to your domain rating on a scale of 1 to 100 is 5. And your URL rating on a scale of 1 to 100 is also 5. I want to show you guys something. So I typed in another term in Google, roofers or roofers in Vancouver, Washington, and these guys popped up, Legit Exteriors. I'm not sure if you've heard of them, but I just wanted to check out their analytics and see where they were and see how their rankings were. And it shows here that they've actually got 68 referring domains, giving them 716 backlinks. And that's a really good amount of backlinks. And as you can see, it's really contributing to their domain rating score of 14 and their URL rating score of 7. And so that's what I mean when I'm talking about backlinks or passing power to your site. We want to get as many, and I can click on these backlinks and see exactly what they are, exactly how valid they are, which ones are really helping them. I can also see which ones are hurting them. And then from there on, it just gets really nerdy and technical. But that's pretty much what I'm talking about when I say backlinks. Cherry Roofing, thank you so much for your time. I hope this information was informative and helpful for you. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm going to leave my name and number in this email. And please, I would love to hear your feedback on how informative this was for you, and if it was helpful for you. And these are tips too that you can start implementing today. You can start implementing them right now to start ranking higher in Google and really seeing a huge raise in monthly income through your online platform. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.